There is this AI tool that allows us to generate faceless videos with just one click. One such video gathered 18 million views on TikTok, and we know that TikTok's creativity program now pays $1 for every 1,000 views. That means that in 1 minute, TikTok generated $120,000 for the owner. And in this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you not only how to generate this type of TikToks with AI, but also how to instantly monetize these TikToks from anywhere in the world. Because, as we know, the TikTok creativity program is not available in all countries. First, let's examine some of these examples of TikTok accounts. The first one is called Creek Hours. To understand all the accounts, I will show you that they are all from the same niche. But throughout this video, I will show you a list of 15 extremely good niches for faceless channels and accounts that are trending right now on TikTok, and not only. But first, let's look at this TikTok account from this niche. Here we have another one called The Reddit Story. They post stories taken from Reddit and only with a background in Minecraft gameplay, usually, and this gets them millions of views. Each video has more than 100,000 views. It's crazy. And if we open one of these videos, you can see that these videos are extremely simple because everything you see here is done with artificial intelligence. But here is a difficulty. First of all, each video must be over a minute long to be eligible for the creative program and to be monetized. Second, you must be approved for the creative program to earn from those videos. And for that you need 10,000 followers and 100,000 views on your account. And you must be in one of these countries: US, UK, Brazil, France, Germany, Japan, or Korea. But first, to give you that list of 15 trending niches, and to show you how to activate this creativity program instantly from anywhere in the world. Here is the AI tool where you can generate those types of TikToks with just one click. This is called sub.io. You can find the link in the description. This AI creates short videos for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels with very high quality images. It also adds sound effects, animations, and subtitles. To get started, just click Start for free, and you will log into this site. And here we can see what this AI can do for us. You can generate AI videos, fake text, automatic addition of subtitles to video, and, of course, Reddit Story. We here need a Reddit story. Click here, and this board will appear. The first thing we need to do here is to choose the number of characters. Here we have to choose about 1,500 characters for our video to be longer than 1 minute. The next step is to select the language. I will continue with English. And the last step is to add a link from Reddit. For this one, we will go to Google, and we'll write like this: Reddit unpopular opinion. Namely, these stories are interesting for people. We will click on the first site, and from here we have to select something extremely interesting and captivating. I will choose this one. I will click on share, and then I will copy the link. I'm going to go back to our AI tool and put that link in this box. And after simple, I will just click on apply magic. Here, we can see that now we can customize this video. You can change the styles. You can change the colors. You can also change the AI voice. You can even put in a username. Then you can also change this border with text. After you have made all the changes, you need to click on Generate Screenshot for the video to change. Now let's look at the result.
A car accident. I live in a mid-sized city in the PNW, and while traffic has been getting worse over the past decade, this summer has been horrible. We only have one freeway going through our metro area, and it seems like there is at least one major accident literally every single day. Emo, one of the biggest problems is that if you can afford the insurance rate hike, there is literally no punishment for causing a car accident. So people...
You can observe that the footage that is in the background changes, and if you don't like it, you can change them. For this one, you just need to click on the video, and you will have different short videos. But if you don't like this gameplay, you can easily search on YouTube and put them here. Once the video looks good and is ready to post, click download, and that's it, the video is on your device. And now the price of this tool, it gives us to choose from 3 plans. The first plan costs $29 per month. The second plan costs $49 per month, and the third plan costs $99 per month. And if we scroll down, we can see how many 1-minute videos we can generate with each plan. We are also interested in Reddit stories. So, with the first plan, you can make 70 videos. With the second plan, you can generate 140 videos. And with the last plan, you can make 350 videos. Now, as I said and promised at the beginning of the video, I will give you access to 15 niches that are trending now on TikTok. And I will show you how to activate the TikTok creativity program instantly and from any country. Let's start with the niches. I created this document with 15 different TikTok niches that can be done without a face and are also trending. To make it easier for you, I put the name of the niche and left the link from a TikTok account that makes content in this niche. You can easily go to this link and see what that niche is all about. This document can be accessed by everyone. It is free. The link is in the description. Now the second part, how to activate the TikTok creativity program instantly and from any country. In this video, I will not show you how to do this, because it will be a very long video. Instead, a video has already appeared on my YouTube channel where I discuss this in particular and show step by step what you need to do. You can see that video up here in the corner, but I'll also leave it in the description. Now that all the promises I gave you at the beginning of the video are fulfilled, I want to motivate you a little to start making money with this method. And for this, I will return on TikTok to this account, which is also from this theme, and I will show you again what results it has. And my friend, his videos are the same as the one I made later. Exactly, so you don't have to think that they did something better, and that's why they have such results. They just didn't give up. Because if you notice, the owner has posted extremely many such videos. Very many. And maybe at the beginning, they didn't even have 1,000 views, but now they have millions of views. Friends, let me now make an action plan. The first step is to access the video where I show how to activate the creativity program. After you have done that, simply go to the site with that AI tool. The same link is in the description. Purchase a plan from here and simply post such videos daily on the new TikTok account with the creativity program activated and earn from the very first posts. Friend, I hope you appreciate my effort and you will like this video and subscribe to this channel. I was with you, Tropy, and see you next Sunday.